On August 31st, 2022, a woman by the name of JoJo is coming back home with her son around 10 p.m. and is distracted talking to her son when she closes the door and locks it. Seconds after, you can see a man was following them and attempts to open the door, only to find out that it's locked. The man has a sinister look on his face, and even after being caught attempting to open the door by JoJo, his facial expression never changes.
Go shower really fast. I need you to go shower. Please, Daniel. Who's that? Who is that? Get out of here! Get out of here! There's a guy outside. Look.
As you can see in the video, the man has his hands behind his back the whole time, and it's hard to tell if he's hiding something. JoJo called the cops, and the man was later removed from the area. The police later explained that the family of the man says he has mental problems and meant no harm, but it's hard to determine what would have happened if JoJo hadn't locked the door right after she opened it. On September 29, 2019, a Ring doorbell caught a woman screaming for help when moments after, a man is seen grabbing her by the hair and dragging her to the front of the yard. In front of the property, it's hard to see, but the man looks like he jumps up on top of the woman and proceeds to assault her. The whole time she is screaming, and later on in the video, the man threatens to kill her if she doesn't get up. The man in the video is 27-year-old Robert Michael Mendez and was arrested the following day by Arcadia Police Department. After the video, Robert held her girlfriend against her will in his home, and later he was charged for kidnapping and attempted murder. In this next video, a Ring doorbell camera captures the moment a woman is kidnapped on November 12, 2019 from plain sight. Multiple people witnessed the kidnapping in this video was captured the screams for help from the victim. Unfortunately, the woman in this video was never identified and the case remains unsolved. There hasn't been any updates on the kidnapping, despite there being eyewitnesses and this video to help the police on their search.